In this example, we are renting a Turo car that costs $80 per day plus 50 cents per mile over 100 miles. So the first 100 miles are included. We want to find the equation that expresses the total cost in terms of the number of miles driven. So it's going to be in terms of the number of miles driven, so that's going to be your x, and then your total cost is going to be your y. And you want to write an equation in the form y equals a plus bx. So that's slope-intercept form. B is your slope, and a is your y-intercept. So if we look at some values of x here and some values of y, which is our total cost here. So if you drive 0 miles, you're still going to pay that $80. And then if you drive 100 miles, you're still going to pay that $80. It's only mileage over 100. So if you drive over 100 miles, say you do 200 miles, then you're going to get that $80 charge plus 50 cents a mile. So it'll be 50 cents per mile times the number of miles over 100, over 100, which would be 100 miles. If you drove 300 miles, you'd have the $80 here, plus 50 cents a mile, and then number of miles over 100, well, 300 minus 100 is 200. And so in general, if you have an X here, you are going to have that $80 charge, and then you're going to add 50 cents a mile, so 0.50 or 0.5. And then to get the 200, we did 300 minus 100. To get the 100, we did 200 minus 100. So if we're doing X miles, it's going to be X minus 100. So that's the miles over 100. And then we can simplify this a bit. So this will be 80 plus multiplier 0.5 in, 0.5x. And then 0.5 times negative 100 be minus 50. So 80 minus 50 is 30, and then plus the 0.5x. So your equation is going to be y equals 30 plus 0.5x. So 30 is your y-intercept, and 0.5 is your slope. And there's our linear equation.